What's up, guys? Welcome to the Badge Floss channel. I am Chris Aponte, and today is going to be a simple video. We're going to get to the bottom of the sizing with these Salehe Bembury ball sack Crocs. Ah, your mother. It was dusty. So I have three pairs of fake Salehe Bembury Crocs, and I sized down. I am a true 10.5 wide. I sized down to 10, and they are still a little bit big. But I was told by someone who was trying to sell me a pair that I could even go down to size 9 and it would still fit. So we're gonna see about that. These are two retail pairs. This is the blue balls version, and this is the pink balls version, which I guess is the more natural color of a ball sack. These are size 10, so I'm gonna try these on just to see if they fit like my fakes do. And then I'm gonna try this size 9 and see if my 10.5 wide foot fits in it comfortably. So here we go. All right, here we go. Now first, I'm gonna do the size 10 and see if they fit just like my fakes fit that are size 10. I wear them around the house all the time and I love them. All right. Nobody really uses that. I'm just gonna put it back in the back there. You know what? You know what? These are bigger than my fakes. They are. These are size 10 retail, and there's a lot more room in here. Not a lot more room, but there's definitely more room in here than in my fakes. That's interesting. All right, so that was the blue balls. Now, the pink balls. That's wild. So my pink ball sack Crocs are a size 9. I'm a size 10.5 wide, and there's still room in them. Not a whole lot. I don't know if I'd go down to 8, but I think I could. I mean, my foot still kind of moves back and forth. Here, let me see if I can show you. See that? My foot still kind of moves back and forth. I probably could do an 8. So many people bought these and they were too big for them. So hopefully this answers a little bit of your sizing questions on these Salehe Bembury Crocs. I would go down 2 sizes because I have a wide foot, and this is the first time since I was like in 4th grade that I'm wearing a size 9. Anyway, that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe. Don't sell wretches retail. Don't forget to check out my retail only channel. Link is in the description below. Don't forget to join the Discord. Link is in the description below. And remember, real sneakerheads show love.